Dear Marchek, I know we have not seen each other for so long, and you probably don't even remember your old Aunt Helena, all the way from America. But I'm sure you will fall in love with the fresh air and all this Warsaw culture, just like I did when I was young.
Yeah, I think I will.
You must get used to it, because I decided to gift you my Warsaw residence. I know for you this can be a big surprise, but you were always my most beloved nephew.
Who filled stop? Get off.
You will find it no problem. When you step off the bus, take the first road to the left. Or maybe it was the right. Valera, I have not visited this dump in ages. You know what? You better ask Barbara. My very...
Good morning, Miss Barbera.
Moaning? Well, young man, straight to business, are we? I won't say no, but aren't I a bit too old for you?
What? No! I said good morning, Miss Barbera.
No, I'm Barbara.
Sweet Jesus, this is going to take a while. Listen, I'm looking for number 100.
Sweetheart, I don't have that kind of money. My pension is a mere 300 zloty, barely enough for potatoes and cigarettes.
No. The house number 101.
Uh-oh, easy now. I'm not that ancient. Only 70 springs young. You should have seen me at your age.
Ma'am, the house number 101.
Ah, you should have said. You're going to Helena's. Straight down the road, then left. Can't miss it. How is Helena, anyway?
She's fine. Goodbye.
She's doing time? Oh, my. So that's what she meant when she said she was away in the States.
My God.
No, I told you, go to the right. And to make it easier for you, I am attaching a picture.
Whoa, Valera.
Of the neighbor's house, mine, across the street.
Right. Thanks, Auntie. Wonder if the whole thing collapses the second I touch the door. Oh man, it's even worse on the inside. Didn't think that was even possible. And it sounds like the place is already occupied.
You, Zach, you know I love you like a brother, but if you don't tell me right now who lifted my bottle yesterday, I'll fuck you up like a teetotaler fucks up a party. Did you get it? Who? I told you already. Like Valenza. I get up in the night, dark as hell, and there he is, bottle in hand, looks me dead in the eye and says, I'll do to it what I did to communism.
And what did he do?
He finished it.
Damn, that actually checks out.
Gentlemen, this isn't funny or sensible. And what exactly are you doing in my house?
Your house. We've been parked here 5 years. Called it.
That's right. Either you clear off, or drunken Master Rishek here will kick your ass.
I'll take my chances. Fuck you! Hilera. Now I'm sinking to their level. Better find a way to smoke these two out of here.
Oh, Karwa, you hit the vaccine lump.
Retreat, Kurwa.
The easy part's done. Now I should clean up before this. Fragrance attracts more unwanted guests. I wonder where the trash can is. Oh, there's trash bags. Even better. There was a dumpster out by the gate, I think. I'll throw this bag in there. Time to check the other rooms. Somehow throwing out the garbage made the place look even more depressing. It's begging for renovation, and it won't be cheap. I need work.
P.S. If you need any kind of job, go to my good friend, Mr. Izbishik. That one is a real craftsman. He could unclog a pipe like nobody else.
I saw a payphone outside. I could use it if I manage to scrape up some change around the house. This won't pay for a long chat. I hope it's enough.
Hello?
Good morning. Is this Mr. Zbizek?
Yeah, who's talking?
Maciek Batala. I'm Helena Naverin's nephew.
How's she doing? How's she doing time?
No, she's in the U.S. Listen, I'm after some work. Wanna make a little
Lucky
money.
for you, kid, I'm actually opening up recruitment for an assistant. Meet me at the client's place, 32 Pine Street, apartment 12. You can show me what you can do.
That was quick. Well, on my way then.
Come on, Helena, why you like this?
Hello? Mr. Zbizek?
Mister, why mister? We are friends, no need to be so official.
Ugh. Maybe I should reconsider this career path. The man's out of it. Reeks of vodka, too.
Vodka? Where is vodka? And who are you?
I come for work. We spoke on the phone.
Yes, yeah, right. I was waiting for you. Take this paint and work on the wall. I must finish something. You really made a mess, kid. Were you painting the wall or the floor, huh?
If you laid some foil first, there would be no mess.
Why foil? You are cheaper, boy. Grab a rag and clean this up. I think there's one on the kitchen counter. Good enough. No one's gonna eat on the floor anyway. I have a special mission for you now. Take these keys, go to my car, and bring one important thing.
Kardwa, of course. No wonder.
What took you so long? Hope it's all there. Otherwise, I'll deduct it from your pay.
But you're not paying me yet.
Oh, Mr. Entitled here. Hope you're as eager to work as you are to earn. Come here. I will teach you a little electrical engineering. Do you have permission?
Nope.
No worry, me too. But I have something better. A good business head. Anyway, this is not rocket science. There. Now only some insulation tape and this is good to go.
Jesus, girl! Mr. Zbyszek, are you alive?
Yep, that's my job gone in a flash. Still lasted longer than the last one. Kurwa? What?
There. Job done. Time for a reward. The bottle, kid.
What the Kurwa fuck?
The hell? No punch. This water or what?
This may sound pessimistic, but I think you're dead. You got electrocuted bad.
Cholera, not good. I don't know how long I could go without booze. But it's not all bad. My back doesn't hurt anymore. And my wife will stop complaining I am drunk all the time. Okay, kid. No need to stress about a little misadventure. Call the owner and tell him job is done, time to pay. Hoy, what a dump! And these stains, I think I know where they're from. Yeah, I did some plumbing for Helena here once. Lucky I took the leftover paint from the client. Cover it up, will you? It hurts my eyes. Now that I like. Condition, good as new. Better even. This paint won't peel off in a year.
The color stands out a little.
What are you, interior decorator? Stop fussing and pick up the place. Right now you're in the red, and you haven't even earned back the paint you have used.
So what now? Fill these holes?
Yes, but not here. Lesson 1. You practice new skills at the client's place. And I have just the perfect little job lined up for this. Let's go. Oh, there it goes. Note to self, no leaning. Not like your Aunt Helena. She never leaned away from anything, if you know what I mean. Get it, kid? Alright, fun's over. Back to work. What do we have here? Ah, yes. Out with the old sofa. Come on, grab it. Wait, kid. You're not hauling that down the stairs. Out the window with it. There. Out of sight, out of mind. Now, fill those holes in the walls and you're done.
But fill them with what? I'm lost.
Oh, kid, must I teach you everything? The plaster is right there. Dip and go. Dip and go. Good, good. Good enough. Now paint it. Stop fussing with it. That's enough. Let's get going. Kid, aren't you forgetting something?
What? Did I miss a spot?
Dumber than a left boot. Remember what you didn't grab from last job?
Oh, the paint. On it.
Yes! And bring that bucket of plaster too. We need it more than the client does.
Well, finally. You're the handyman from the Garden Street job?
What's this about?
It's about some idiot dropping a
Oh, look, madam. I really didn't want.
And my upstairs neighbor, a good man that he is, told me you did this renovation and everything turned out great. Very happy he was.
Miss!
Quiet!
What?
Nothing. So, you would like the balcony fixed, madam?
If you could, when are you free?
I don't know.
I'll pay extra.
I'll be there today.
Well. Maybe that is hope for you yet. That's how you'll land a job. A little charm, a little...
I'm not sure I have either of those things.
Now I teach you tiling. First, you prepare the surface. The sofa did have the work for you, but few tiles are still standing. Grab the hammer and smash them! Now tile glue. Take the sack and follow me. We'll Find something to mix it in. Boo! Gotcha! Lesson 2. And when the client is not here, we help ourselves. This bowl is perfect. Put the glue in here, but not too much. You'll see why in a second. Good. Now, water. See from the taps. Don't be shy with it. That's enough, kiddo. Lesson 3. What does a real master...
With tile glue?
Wrong! With hope and good wishes. This balance of water and glue, perfect. Understand? Good. Take the mix and hurry to the balcony, kid. Now then, set down the bowl, grab the trowel, and spread it, but sparingly. Glue tiles nice and neat, but keep the grout lines wide. A nail's width. A toenail's. A gorilla's toenail. The fewer tiles we use, the better. Every tile saved goes to the next job. Or to your own home.
And the crosses? The little spacer crosses? To keep it even?
That I do not know. I am an atheist. Now, glue! We do not have all day.
The Unity Housing...
Janusz Kielbasa. For 20 years now, Screw organizes this prestigious Super Handyman contest. It is the biggest event of the season. All the top masters come and take part. Every year I enter, and every year I am this close to winning. But there is always Janusz, the Screw president, that thief.
Hold on. Screw?
Society of Construction and Repairs Engineers and Workers. And who runs Screw? That goddamn kurwa miserable son of a whore, Janusz Tuch. I hate that bastard. He organizes it, he enters it, he wins it. Every single competition. Where is the police, I ask you? Where? But those days are over. Now I have you. You are young, not too bright, granted, but no matter the thinking, you leave to me. Janusz, get ready, you kush. Meshek, this year you fuck this Kielbasa for me, and you fuck Kielbasa hard.
That definitely wasn't in the job description.
Wonder what's on TV. Need something fixed?
You bet I do. We bring you a craftsman the likes of which the world has never seen. Whatever needs doing gets done. He can handle everything. He knows everything. Always cheap, always fast, always good. Well, acceptable. What do you say to that?
No way. Impossible.
Complete nonsense.
Sir, go
And yet, with us, it's possible. Painting, filling, tiling, paneling. Anything you can bang onto a wall, we'll bang it. On top of that, flat pack furniture, window fitting, and much, much more. Zabish Buildex Limited.
Balconies and rooms, find happy clients every time. Damn right.
Call now for a special discount. .5% off the net price. Spish Buildex Limited does not issue invoices. The company accepts no liability for damages arising after completion of the job, up to and including disfigurement and/or death of the...
Now that is a business. But this ad, I think they made it on the cheap.